Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to YesiJai. I'm Jay.
And this is Yesi.
And today we're going to be doing a reaction to Parasite episode 11, The Blue Bird. Thank you guys so much for all the support. You guys always show us with all those likes and all those comments. It really helps us out, guys. So thank you so much. Alright guys, so this intro is going to be short and sweet just so we can get straight into it because, last episode was kind of tragic, with Hideo getting a hole made into the middle of his chest by Shinichi throwing a rock from I believe from another building. But either way, guys, so I guess we can start off with the fight between Hideo and Yuko. Well, I guess it wasn't really a fight. It was more of Hideo trying to kill Yuko. She then ends up throwing some type of acid on him. He absorbs it into his body, which then kills off his cells. So then, he can't change back into his normal Hideo face. He starts going on some type of rampage throughout the school. Murno gets, I think she gets stuck on one of the floors. Shinichi ends up kind of panicking a little bit, worried that she might have been killed by Hideo. So he rushes through the school trying to look for her, eventually finds her, ends up picking her up, jumping out of the third or fourth floor. She doesn't really ask questions right now, but she is, thinking how the hell did he just, jump out of this building, not get hurt, and, then jump over another fence that was 8 feet high. So really crazy. He's kind of giving himself away a little, little by little, but, obviously she's bound to find out that, he has a parasite in him. Oh, and I forgot to mention that when Hideo was killed, I guess you can say the police or FBI, whoever they are that are trying to keep these parasites a secret, they didn't really want people to know about these whole parasite things, yet, or even to find out that there was even one taken over at the school, because then, people would start freaking out, knowing that there's parasites around them, and or at least parasites that look like humans, and you'll never even know, so you won't know who to trust anymore. So in the end, Murno, eventually then ends up asking Shinichi about, how did you jump out of the building? He then ends up telling her that it was just his adrenaline. We obviously know the truth, but Murno's kind of piecing it together. So hopefully eventually Shinichi himself can come out and let her know, I have a parasite in me. I've had a parasite in me this whole time, which is the reason that I'm acting weird or my emotions or feelings are changing. So, she could at least, make sense of it all, because to her, it's just he's changing, but for the worse. So either way, thank you guys so much, and let's just go ahead and check it out. Oh, so it's already going around. The hair's moving. Oh, he's a parasite.
Whoa.
So it's already going around that's the way you check. And it died. Wow, so she already...
Oh.
Something about their eyes. Oh my god. There we go. Let's just both, enjoy our dinner. Oh my
Wow.
god. So they already, it's already going around, people mentioning about the whole, I think it's
whole
already out,
hair sample.
yeah, check the hair, just in case whoever you're talking to might not be a real human. They might be a parasite. So, that just really sucks now, because now people are going to actually, well, I guess it's out there then, right? You think people are going to start freaking out or start actually maybe being a little more careful or aware, of the people whoever they're talking to.
But the thing is, they don't really even know what parasites are. So in a way, they're going to be scared, but there's nothing really to fear if you don't know what it is.
Yeah, true. That's just so crazy how, and it seems like she was just kind of, you playing it as a joke, she was like, have you heard what they've said about hair? And she ends up pulling the two strands off, or a couple strands, and they end up, dying. But that's just so creepy though too. At the same time, how hair, it's not supposed to do that, but that's they're parasites, so everything on them is alive, which is the same thing how Migi, eventually, or how he said in the past that there's a little piece of him still moving inside of Shinichi. All these little pieces are still alive, as long as they're still within some type of host.
Yeah, well, Migi is still pumping Shinichi's blood. So yeah, he's gonna be attached to him, I guess, for the rest of his life.
Yeah, I don't looks like a really bad dream. What, their hero? A horse? Okay, so pretty much a Shinichi, somebody who has the parasite connected to him. Well, this ain't real. Okay, knight in shiny armor. Touch her with the. Oh, never mind. Oh, whoa! Is that supposed to be Shinichi?
Yeah. And that one chick.
Why is he all big and buff now? Why is he like some sort of like? That's a psychic girl? Kirishima? No, something. I don't remember. The blue bird. What does that even mean? Well, at least you don't have to worry about Hideo anymore. Parasites. Oh. He's still human, so nothing's gonna be wrong with it. Oh man, she's gonna keep it and test it out, and then something's gonna be wrong with it. It's not gonna be like normal hair.
Wow. She's very smart.
It would kind of help though, like find all these parasite people around him.
Yeah.
Oh, Kana. We'll just call her Kana. What? Murno. What? She's like, wait, what? What are you talking about? You know, with it when he comes and saves you on his horse without his shirt on. Whoa. No, here we go.
She's so weird.
Yeah. What in the world is this? Why is he... Who is that? Are these just two random guys now? He looks happy. Yakuza? Is that a gang?
Oh.
Wait, is he a parasite?
That
Or is he just really
freaking
strong? Because that's...
crazy.
Okay, well... I guess he's just, you know... Oh my god. I like how his expression doesn't change. Somebody has to have a gun. Come on. There we go. Oh, I guess that didn't work either though.
What?
Oh my... Oh.
Like a ninja.
Oh my god, he's shoving his hand through their bodies. So he is a parasite. No way. Yeah, there's... So there must be other humans that have parasites in them. Oh, his eyes opened. Oh. Oh. There we go.
Oh.
Got him. Oh, it stopped. The bone. The bone didn't want to go through the bone. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, damn right.
That's crazy.
It seems like there... Um... Oh my... Oh,
Dang.
no, the bald guy. Three hits. Don't worry, guys. It's not him. That's just, somebody who came to check it out. Look at him. No, don't chase that guy. Don't do that. Wait. What? No way. That was like half a second. Yeah, I don't... Oh my god.
Oh.
Wait, why would he want that guy?
They didn't even notice him.
Wait, but like, why would he even take him? Oh, because he wanted to blend in and change his outfit. Okay, I see. Not be covered in blood. What? Oh, he changed his. So they're
Okay.
full parasites, right?
Yeah. Yeah, they are.
Yeah. Okay. 22 Yakuza members were massacred. Oh, Yakuza. So it's that
That
Japanese
gang.
gang that known, like, I don't know if it's Chinese, Japanese. I think it's Japanese, right? Japanese, like, very known gang.
I don't know.
22 gang members. Dang. See, but I didn't get why he didn't change into the little blades. You know what I mean? That's why I didn't think it was
Yeah.
a full parasite. I thought it was like a half human, kind of like a Shinichi. Because
Yeah,
he wasn't
yeah.
using his blades. He was just using his speed and strength.
But when the sword went through his head, his eyes and stuff went all different
Yeah.
ways.
Yeah, that's true. There he is. Look at him. See, now he's like some part of like some corporation now.
Mm-hmm. That's crazy. Just goes from one person to another.
Takes multiple identities.
Yep. Like, what do you want to be today? Can you be a woman? No, huh?
No, it has to be men.
It has to be male.
Men. Yeah. Unless you were a woman before,
Then.
yeah, you
okay.
can transfer into another woman. Yeah, I forgot about that. That little detail too. It has to be the same gender. Sadako 2D.
Oh.
What? Yeah, I don't know about that one. Yeah, he made it up. Is he talking about Migi?
Yeah.
His mom. No. Oh, so he still doesn't want her to know
About his mom.
about his mom. Wait, wait, what?
Oh, it's a baby. It's
Oh,
baby.
Jesus. Okay.
That's not his mom. Ah,
She's a parasite?
yeah.
No, she's just a normal lady. I think he had a flashback of when his mom punctured him, you know what I mean? Because she raised his hand and that was the mom.
Yeah, that's true.
Kind of just put himself in the place of the little boy of like when his mom, you know, shoved it straight through his chest.
Wow. Aww.
Oh, here comes Kana to ruin everything.
Yep. Aww.
Oh, wait, she didn't ruin it. But now she's all like, no.
She's gonna be sad.
No? Maybe? Kinda? A little bit of both?
Wow.
What? Who's she calling? Oh, the Kana, the psychic?
Yeah.
15. Oh, 3 in the afternoon. What?
It's a lot.
Where's Uda?
It's all of them.
Look at their expressions on their face. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Yeah. Revolutionary.
Yep.
You think?
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping.